Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about I can't find screencast in Moto smartphone. How you can open it, how you can pair it, I will tell you in this video full step. So this is the mobile version. I have no TV, so I will tell you in this phone. So friends, on your Moto G37 Power, the screen card option may be hidden in the quick settings or notification panel by default. To activate, go to your phone settings, connected devices or preference cast. You can go to your control center also. Here it is the cast. You have to, it is searching for the nearby devices. If you have enabled the cast feature in your TV, in your tablet, in your monitor, it will cast your phone in that. So just it is now searching for the more devices it's having nearby. So it is here, you can go to settings also, it will show like smart connect feature. So first you have to check the internet connection. Because of the internet connection it will be stable. If you have poor internet connection, if you are watching movies or playing videos in your TV or your any device, so it might take some time, or it may be laggy or poor voice or anything. You may these type of problems may occur. So you have a better internet connection with same connectivity, or you can just, then you have to go to this smart connect. Here it is, Android C914. So it will show the name of that television or any device you are having. You have there are very minimum steps you have to do is just click on connect. It will show on your television or anything. It will now connecting the that device, and it may take some time like 5 to 6 seconds. After that your phone will share that screen on your television. By remote you can't pause or on off, you can do it from your mobile. The steps you are, the things you are doing on your phone, it will be just on your television, same as your phone. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.